Crowds and excitement as Usain Bolt ran his last race in Jamaica. Were you there?
Everybody just follow me. You can't be one who that.
Track and field greats of old immortalized, but the greatest of them all bowing out from local action and thousands streaming into the National Stadium to pay tribute to Usain Bolt and be a part of history. The Olympic champion starting a new chapter, but Bolt already up there with Bob Marley in the pantheon of unofficial national heroes. Few easier to idolize. The on-track exploits amplified by an outsized personality, from the trademark pose to the big smile. Bolt making an entrance. Bolt with the pals. His pals Mo Farah and South African Wade van der Niekerk and Kenyan David Rudisha lending international star power to the bow-out neat. Bolt in what else? Winning form.
Centre. Bolt didn't get a great start. Getting up well is Mincy Ashmead. Bolt comes to the front. Usain Bolt in command of the race. The shining light of world athletics.
The towering figure thanking the home crowd. A lucky few up close. Striking the familiar move. Then the interview.
Thank you, and it was my honor to really put the sports of track and field at the top and to continue to dominate, and I'll try my best even when I've finished and hang up my spice to really continue to push track and field in any way possible.
Tiffer, Octane and Ding Dong leading the dancehall cheering section. Just another day in the extraordinary life of Usain Bolt. The big guy's final appearance as a track and field legend set to play out on the international stage at the World Championships this August in London.